My name is Dan Swinney. I'm the executive director of the Manufacturing Renaissance, which is a not-for-profit consulting company in Chicago. And our commitment is to take the model of the the Manufacturing Renaissance Council and replicate it in 5 cities across the country. And we made that commitment last year. In our country, we have to rebuild our manufacturing foundation, our productive capacity. Manufacturing, and we can really only compete in advanced manufacturing in the global economy, is the only way you can build a broad-based middle class in this country. So in 2005, we formed the Chicago Manufacturing Renaissance Council in Chicago. It was formed initially by the Chicago Federation of Labor, the Illinois Manufacturers Association, my organization, the Manufacturing Renaissance, and the City of Chicago. It was based on 4 principles. One is that, first of all, that our city, and we extend this to the nation, we should be the leader, and the global leader in making complex things. Second of all, our competitive advantage should be the strategic partnership that we create that involves all the major stakeholders in this process. As I said, like labor, business, government, community, and educators. The third principle is that we have to have profound changes in education. And if we don't have that, anything else we're talking about is impossible. And the fourth principle is that we need to rebuild communities by reducing poverty. And we think that manufacturing is the way to do that. So we've, in fact, created a true private-public partnership that has stood the test of time, is now very active and very engaged and very successful after 7 or 8 years. We don't only have ideas, we also take action. So the first thing we did in 2007 was we created a public high school called Austin Polytech Academy that has 60 companies that are partners for the school. It addresses that question of can we fill the jobs that are going unfilled in manufacturing? In that school, we now have we've added an adult program. So we have adults coming into the same school, earning nationally recognized credentials in manufacturing to get jobs. We now have a similar program in that same neighborhood with people returning from prison, that they can also get what we call NIMS credentials, National Institute of Metalworking Skills credentials, to get employment. Another aspect of the work is the creation of what we call the Austin Manufacturing Innovation Park. So this body of work can be done. It's been done in Chicago successfully. It's been recognized by Mayor Emanuel. We want to replicate that work around the country. So we already have now the Bay Area Manufacturing Renaissance Council. We have a committee in formation in Detroit. We have interest in Mobile, Alabama. We have interest in New York City, and we welcome anybody who wants to do this kind of work to contact us. The Clinton Global Initiative and this opportunity to make this commitment has really been very exciting to us. It's allowed us to make contact with other people, and we're really glad to share our progress in fulfilling this commitment. Because this is a way we can make stronger companies and stronger communities at the same time.